Before you begin this project, you will need to disconnect your battery and remove your intake manifold. Please see the link at the end of this video for assistance. Working at the back of the starter, remove the 13mm battery positive cable nut, indicated by the yellow arrow. Then disconnect the electrical lead, green arrow, by pressing the spring and pulling it off. Next, you will remove the upper starter fastener. This one is tough. You can use either an E14 external torque wrench or an E14 socket on a flex head ratchet. The flex head allows you to clear the firewall. Once you remove the bolt, discard it. These are aluminum and single-use only fasteners. You do not want to accidentally reuse it. Using an E14 socket, remove the lower starter bolt, green arrow. Again, this is a single-use only fastener. Discard it after you remove it. Now you can remove the starter from the engine. Just pull it out of the engine. Wiggle it if it's stuck. They usually come right out with no problem, but you might have to wiggle it quite vigorously. Install a new starter into the engine, install all new hardware, and tighten. Install the electrical connections. Do not over-tighten the battery positive terminal. The stud can break. Reassemble the intake manifold and reconnect the battery. Check operation of the starter and recheck that all wiring is routed correctly. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article, along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.